ladies, it's entree week here at Real Women of Philadelphia, and I'd like to share with you an easy entree dish to inspire you to get cooking and make those cooking videos to submit here. Now you know what's on the line: an all-expense paid trip to Toronto, a chance to star in your own cooking videos, and of course, $20,000. Now this creamy pesto chicken is a favorite in my house during the week. In fact, Michael and I lick the plate clean. I've started by searing 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts in just a touch of oil. With the pan on medium heat, it takes about 6 to 8 minutes to cook the chicken through on each side. And when the internal temperature is 170, then you know it's done. So the chicken is almost ready. While I've got that finishing, I'm going to get my vegetables ready. I like to add a little color to my sauces, but you could simply make the cream sauce, and if you wish, throw in a little julienne red bell pepper. During the week anyway, I can sneak in a little extra vegetable. It's always a good thing. So there we go. Let me take a peek at the chicken now. And you can see how the chicken is sort of caramelized, and there's some beautiful caramelized bits visible in the bottom of the pan. I want to make use of that, and that flavor is going to work into the sauce. So with the chicken done, I'll just take it off the heat here. The sauce takes no time to prepare, so all I have to do is cover the chicken to keep it warm. There we go. So this is the chef's real secret. The flavor builder for a sauce really is in the caramelized bits that stick to the bottom of the pan. So I'm going to take 1/3 cup of low salt chicken broth, and this broth actually deglazes the pan. That's the technical term for it. And you can see how it's pulling off all these lovely sticky bits. In fact, I'll switch to a wooden spoon. So I'm warming up the broth at the same time and loosening up all these lovely flavorful pieces. I can turn up the heat a little bit. And now adding 1/4 tub of the soft Philly cream cheese. Using the soft variety means it whisks into the sauce so easily. The cream cheese adds flavor, but it also serves to thicken the sauce. And that's why it only takes just a little bit to do the trick. A good sauce should just coat the outside of the chicken. It doesn't have to be thick and stodgy at all. And this is where you add a little flavor. Now, I make my own pesto. And that's a combination of basil, pine nuts, parmesan, and of course a little garlic. But you can use a good quality pesto, store-bought if you wish. And I just add 2 tablespoons and whisk that in. Oh, and immediately the heat draws out the basil and the garlic and that Parmesan cheese. Beautiful texture. And then I just throw in the red bell peppers just to soften right at the very end. So that's my little personal add-in. When you start cooking up your entree recipes, it's those little tips and tricks we want to see. So how easy was that? My creamy pesto chicken, a recipe I know the whole family will enjoy. So now it's your turn. Get in the kitchen, grab the camera, and share your recipes. You've got until Sunday to submit your entree recipes.